Welcome to Slooh This Week on April 22nd, 2024. Coming up, what's new at Slooh, what's up this week, and our student spotlight. What's new at Slooh? We're excited to tell you about our 2024 summer school. If you'd like your students to continue their hands-on space exploration over the summer, hop over to our 4th to 8th grade summer school page to learn more. It's designed to spark your students' curiosity about career opportunities in space. It includes new 4th to 8th grade quest learning activities developed by industry experts to teach your students how to think like astronomers. We don't have a recommended quest this week because we've got something a little different. We're recommending a peculiar object for you to capture. Now, I know many of you keep a close watch on the Slooh 1000 objects, our list of over 1,000 of the most interesting and beautiful celestial objects visible in Slooh's telescopes. Well, you may have spotted that a new object was added recently. It's a star that is known scientifically as T Coronae Borealis, but it's also known as the Blaze Star. What makes this star worthy of the Slooh 1000? Well, it's extremely likely to blow its top sometime between now and September 2024. It's known as a binary star system. 2 stars, one a cool red giant star and the other a hot white dwarf that orbit each other closely. So closely, in fact, that the white dwarf pulls material from the unstable red giant star. As the white dwarf collects the material on its surface, its shallow, dense atmosphere heats enough to cause a runaway thermonuclear reaction, which ends in a colossal explosion called a nova. The blazing star is one of only 5 recurring nova in our galaxy. The nova explosions occur every 80 years or so, and the star goes from magnitude 10 to magnitude 2, easily bright enough to see with the naked eye. So will you be the first person to capture the nova explosion? Schedule regular missions for it and you'll stand a good chance of doing so. If you want to learn more about the life cycles of stars, you can do so in our Life and Death of Stars quest. Let's take a look at what's up this week. We'll start with the moon. It starts the week as a full moon before becoming a waning gibbous phase for the remainder of the week. How about the planets this week? Well, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune are all too close to the Sun to observe. But Mars and Saturn have returned to our pre-dawn skies. Both will be a little fuzzy in your images as they'll be low in the sky and still distant from Earth. The dwarf planet Pluto is also visible. With bright moonlight lighting up the sky, it's best to stick to brighter deep sky and Milky Way objects like globular and open clusters. We've got a special student spotlight for you this week. Misha shared this fabulous observation of the moon. She's been a Slooh ambassador for several years and has even made presentations during some of our star parties. She also runs the student channel on our Discord server. She didn't have much time outside of exams over the last year for Slooh, but is looking forward to another year of sloohing in 2024. She chose this glorious image of the moon to make her return to the community. And she added this beautiful quote from Tari Mafi's Shatter Me. "The moon is a loyal companion. It never leaves. It's always there, watching steadfast, knowing us in our light and dark moments, changing forever, just as we do. Every day is a different version of itself, sometimes weak and wan, sometimes strong and full of light. The moon understands what it means to be human, uncertain, alone, created by imperfections." Thank you for sharing that, Misha, and we hope you enjoy another year of Slooh. You'll receive a special Gravity Point Award this week. And don't forget, if you'd like to be featured in our Student Spotlight, share your observations or quest posters with the community. That's it for this week. Clear skies, everyone.